Good afternoon, traders. This is an update video about my swing trade with Splg. I entered it on February 1st and today's February 19th. Still in the trade. The idea was to let the price come down below the 50 MA, which it did here, and then enter on the next daily candle to make a new high. So as soon as I saw this happened on a Friday. On Sunday, I put in an order at the level of this candle here, the high of it. So this one was at 44.28. I put in an order at 44.29. So as soon as the next candle broke that high, then I would get filled, and that's exactly what happened. I got filled at 44.29. So now I'm in this trade, and originally my stop loss was the low of the previous candle, and then as soon as this thing kind of made a continuation throughout the highs, then I just moved my stop up along with the 50 MA, and you could see that yesterday, for example, it was 44.39, and today it's 44.44. So that's where I'm going to move my stop up right now, and this is with my Chase account. So right here you can see this is my previous order from yesterday, a stop loss order at 44.39, good till canceled. So I just go over here to action, modify, change this to 44.44. Place the order, and that's it. The stop is moved, and now this thing will sell out if the price comes down to 44.44, which is extremely unlikely. These stocks move very slowly, and that's pretty much the appeal to swing trading them, is that there's not enough volatility to knock you out, in one day, one crazy day or something like that. So, but the beauty is right now I am in the money on this. I'm in the green, because this gold line represents my entry, and the red line is where my stop loss is right now. It started all the way down here, so it's moved all that way. And the nice thing about following the 50 MA is it's kind of a slower moving average, and it smooths out the price action. So even though this thing kind of chops around and goes down and goes sideways a little bit, this continues up as long as the overall trend is up. So this is just going to continue until these two meet, and two possibilities can occur. This thing continues sideways or slightly down until it touches that 50 MA, or it starts to recover, it continues higher, and these things just kind of move in parallel until it finally does come down again. You could see that happen previously here. The price came down below the 50 MA, and based on my criteria, I would have entered right here on this candle, but then I would have been stopped out the next day for a small loss, let's see, of about, $39 to $38. So let's say $1 per share I would have lost on that trade. And then I would have gotten back in for the break of this candle, which was around 38.75, and then this thing goes higher and stays above the 50 MA all the way till here, 43.60. So that's about a $5 win per share. So overall $4, because you lost $1 here on that first trade. So it seems like something that's repeatable with this stock. So anyway, this was my first try doing something like this, swing trading. Normally I day trade, and so I just wanted to try it with a little bit of money. So I just put in enough to buy 5 shares and see how it goes. And if obviously this is going to be a successful trade one way or the other. It's just a matter of how much I'm going to make off of it. And then if this thing comes down and touches the 50 MA again and comes below it, I could get back in and continue doing this indefinitely. So anyway, let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions about this swing trade or any of my other day trades or anything that I do here, just know that I'm not doing this swing trade with Webull just to keep my day trading and swing trading separate. So that's it. So let me know what you guys think, and have a great weekend, and I'll see you on Monday with a trade recap. Take care.